Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can integrate QuickBooks Online with Shopify. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your QuickBooks account, and next what you will have to do is you will look for your app section. So it should be right here if you've already logged into your account. And basically what you will have to do is just click apps, and then you will search for Shopify and then click Get App Now and connect it to Shopify, and then you will log into your Shopify account, and then you will authorize your QuickBooks integration, and you will just have to map your products, customer, and orders and all that stuff, and then click sync. And by the way, you could also check your sync settings regularly to ensure sales, taxes, inventories are accurately recorded. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.